Hi. Given you're watching this, you've probably heard about NIST announcing the first set of post-quantum algorithms for standardization. You might have even heard about the new round 4 of the competition, which is going to be devoted to key encapsulation mechanisms, or KEMs as well. On top of that, you'll probably also be aware that the standards so far announced won't be available till sometime in 2024. A bit of a long way for those of us looking to introduce some post-quantum hardening into our encrypted data now, or even later. So, is there a way of at least improving things now? It turns out there is. And we will be looking at how this would be done using the Bouncy Castle APIs in the Community Day workshop, Post-Quantum Hybrid Cryptography in Bouncy Castle. It's called hybrid cryptography because we'll be discussing the use of both classical and post-quantum techniques together. The approach works because the worst case scenario is that you would have an encryption as strong as the classical algorithm allowed. The best case scenario is that you've quantum hardened your classical key exchange, and anyone who might think vacuuming up your encrypted data now in the expectation that they can get access to your data in the future will find themselves feeling, sadly, somewhat disappointed. The other advantage of applying hybrid cryptographic techniques now is that you'll get experience at starting to use these new algorithms now as well, before it becomes critical to be able to do so. So, whether you're security-minded, curious, or just looking to pick up some new skills, I hope you'll consider joining us. Thank you.